Now we are going to have a look at creating this tooltip preview of the images, basically. So let's first do some changes to our core.css. I mean, additional definition for the new element, which will be called preview. And this one will have position absolute. Then we have background FFF, which is white. Border will have solid 1 pixel AAA, which is gray color. Padding will be 5 pixels around, and then display none by default. So, okay, so now that we've got these changes applied to our core.css, we can close this file. Let's go back to our core.js file. Now if we scroll down, and after the last method of our class, of our object, we're going to create another one, and we call it preview. Function, and that's it for now. Another thing we're going to have to do is to add a few properties to this specific object. First property will be called offset y, and will have the value of 10. Then we will have offset x, which will also have value of 10. This is basically the position of the tooltip from the cursor. Basically, it's going to be 10 pixels, 10 pixels. Then we have class tooltip, the class which will assign to our tooltip elements, to the elements which we want to have a tooltip, which will simply be called tooltip. Then we go for the ID tooltip, which is our preview. We've created definition for this preview just a few seconds ago. Then we have allowed extensions, and this is going to be array. Then come after this, array of PNG, GIF, and JPG. Only these extensions we want to be allowed to show the tooltip. So now that we have all these ready, we scroll down, and first of all, we need to amend our get files method here. As you can see, we have this replacement for all the li tags. We are actually adding, I mean, the content of the li tag is converting to a if it's if it has actually the rel attribute. So what we need to do here is to apply the class to this one. So after the target blank, class equals double quote, then single quote plus, and now directory object dot class tooltip, and then plus, single quote, and double quote. Now that we have this done, we can scroll down here to our preview method, and we're going to start with the a dot for the class plus, then again directory object. I'm going to copy the name of this object here, and then class tooltip, and then live, and we're going to use 3 different events: mouse over, then space mouse out, space mouse move, and then function object as parameter, then closing, and inside of this we're going to continue in the next video.